Good morning, class. Today we will discuss exercise 6.2 of square and square roots. Okay, the first question of the exercise, find the square of the following numbers. The first number is 32. I have to find the square of 32. So I can write 32 as 30 plus 2 whole square. Now according to the identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I can write 30 plus 2 whole square, that will be equal to a square, that is 30 square, plus b square, that is 2 square, plus 2 into a into b. Here 30 is a and 2 is b. So I can solve 30 square, that is 900, plus 2, that is 4, plus 120 is equal to 1024. So square of 32 is 1024. Coming to the second part. The second part, I have to find the square of 35, that is 35 square. Again I can write 35 as 30 plus 5 whole square. Now again the same identity, a plus b whole square. So I can write a square, that is 30 square, plus b square, that is 5 square, plus 2 into a, that is 30, into b, that is 5. Now I can further simplify it. 30 square is 900 plus 25 plus 300. So that will be equal to 900 plus 25 plus 300, that is 1200, plus 25, that is 1225. So the square of 35 is 1225. Okay, the third part, I have to find the square of 86, that is 86 whole square. So I can find 80 plus 6 whole square, that is again the same identity, a plus b whole square. I can write 80 square, that is a square, plus b square, that is 6 square, plus 2 into a, that is 80, into b, that is 6. So 80 square, that is 6400, plus 6 square, that is 36, plus 2 into 80 into 6, that is 960. And now adding 6400 plus 36 plus 960, that is 7396. So the square of 86 is 7396. Okay, come to the next part, the fourth part. I have to find the square of 93. That is 93 square. Again I can write 93 as 90 plus 3 whole square. Now again the same identity, a plus b whole square, that will be equal to a square, that is 90 square, plus b square, that is 3 square, plus 2 into a, that is 90, into b, that is 3. I can write 90 square as 8100, plus 3 square, that is 9, and plus 2 into 3 into 90, that is 540. Now adding these, I will get 8649. So the square of 93 is 8649. Fifth part. In the fifth part, I have to find the square of 71. That is 71 square. I can write 70 plus 1 whole square. That is a square, 70 square, plus b square, that is 1 square, plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 70 into 1. I can write 70 square, that is 4900, plus 1 square, that is 1, plus 140. By adding these three, I will get the square of 71 as 5041. The sixth part. Now I have to find the square of 46, that is 46 square. I can write 46 square as 40 plus 6 whole square. Again a square, that is 40 square, plus b square, that is 6 square, plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 40 into 6. I can write 1600 plus 36 plus 2 into 40 into 6, that is 480. So the square of 46 will be equal to 2116. Okay, come to the second question of this exercise. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 6. First of all, we all know that the Pythagorean triplet is of the form 2m, m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. Any Pythagorean triplet is of the form 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. Now the one element of this Pythagorean triplet is given as 6. So I can assume that let 2m is equal to 6. If 2m is equal to 6, I can say m is equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. So I can find the Pythagorean triplet as 2m, that is 6, comma m square minus 1, that is 3 square minus 1, comma 3 square plus 1. So the Pythagorean triplet will be 6, comma 8, comma 10. So 6, 8 and 10 is a Pythagorean triplet whose one element or one member is 6. Second part. Now in the second part, find the Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 14. Again I can say let 2m is equal to 14. One element is 14, so 2m is equal to 14. So I can derive the value of m, that is 14 upon 2, 7. Again the Pythagorean triplet will be 2m, that is 14, comma m square minus 1, that is 7 square minus 1, comma 7 square plus 1. So the Pythagorean triplet will become 14, comma 48, comma 50. The third part, one of the element of the Pythagorean triplet is given as 16. So I can write 2m is equal to 16. So the value of m will be 16 upon 2, that is 8. So the Pythagorean triplet will be 2m, that is 16, comma m square minus 1, that is 8 square minus 1, comma 8 square plus 1. So that will be equal to 16, comma m square minus 1, that is 8 square minus 1, 63, and 8 square plus 1, that is 65. So the Pythagorean triplet is 16, comma 63, comma 65. Now the last part, that is fourth part. Fourth part, one of the element is given as 18. So I can write 2m is equal to 18. If 2m is equal to 18, so the value of m will be equal to 18 upon 2, that is 9. So I can write the Pythagorean triplet as 2m, that is 18, comma m square minus 1, that is 9 square minus 1, comma 9 square plus 1. So that will be equal to 18, comma 80, comma 82. So this is a Pythagorean triplet with one element that is equal to 18. Okay, thank you all of you.